hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Cook Eat Repeat with Chef Praveen. Today I'm gonna show you something. I hope you all love sweet corn, right? So I found a corn which is not a normal sweet yellow sweet corn. It's a white giant sweet corn from Peru. It's called Choclo corn, and the same dish I'm gonna put in my menu called maize. I mean a double size of maize, a double size of corn. So I call it maize. So I'm gonna make this Peruvian sweet corn. Peruvian, it's called Choclo corn. So I'll say I'm gonna make this Peruvian Choclo corn with some Parmesan truffle oil and different kind of things. So let's see. So guys, look at the giant Peruvian Choclo corn. Look at the size of this corn. It's almost double or triple size of the normal sweet corn. Yeah, and the best part of the sweet corn is it's rich in vitamin A. That if you have vision problem, it can help you out a lot. Secondly, it has lots of fiber, and it will help you out also for your gut problems. So if you have problem like food digestion or something, so it's the best thing for you actually. Yeah. So I got the beautiful chocolate corn. I got fine chopped onion, bell pepper, chopped tomatoes, black pepper, chili flakes, oregano, chopped parsley. I got butter and Parmesan cheese. And then I also got some beautiful lemon and lime wedges. What you have to do is you have to shallow fry the chocolate corns. So it's ready now. You can see the nice golden brown color from inside, and the corns are getting popping up now. This means the corns are ready to serve now. Remove half of this one. I'll drain the extra. So I'll drain all the extra butter that I use for cooking. Black pepper, bit of chili flakes, oregano, can use parsley and or cilantro, parsley or coriander, a bit of olive oil, cumin powder, sea salt.